In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Excel sheet to a Confluence page. If you're using Confluence as your go-to collaboration tool, you might often find yourself needing to share detailed data and analyses with your team. Integrating Excel files directly into your Confluence pages streamlines this process, making your data accessible and well organized within your workflow. Let's get started on how to do this seamlessly. First, navigate to the Confluence page where you'd like to upload your Excel file. Whether you're creating a new document or editing an existing one, starting with the right page is key. This ensures your file lands exactly where you need it to be for maximum impact. Once you're on the right page, your next move is to look towards the top toolbar. Here you'll see an icon shaped like a small picture. This is the image icon, and it allows you to add images, videos, or files to your Confluence page. Click this icon to proceed. After clicking the image icon, you'll be presented with several options. Look for the File tab and give it a click. A drop-down menu should appear with the option to upload. Go ahead and click on Upload. This sets the stage for importing your file from your computer to your Confluence document. At this point, a window will pop up prompting you to select the file you wish to upload. Navigate to the location on your computer where your Excel file is stored. Select your desired file and click the Open button, which will initiate the upload process. Now, your Excel file is successfully imported into the Confluence page and embedded exactly where you wanted it. This makes it easy for your team members to view and reference the data without having to migrate between different applications or searches. The final step in the process is crucial. You need to either publish or close the page to save your changes. If you're ready and content with the current setup, click Publish to make the saved page viewable by your team members. Alternatively, if you need to return to make further edits, closing the page saves your progress without launching it publicly. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added an Excel sheet to your Confluence page, keeping your work streamlined and organized. This small integration can significantly enhance how you and your team access and interpret data. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Confluence tips.